Kadokawa Future Publishing. Kadokawa Future Publishing Jushi Huishi Kadokawa Hayachi Pabaritsu Shingu. Kabushiki Kaisha Kadokawa Future Pabari Shingu is the publishing arm of Kadokawa Corporation, publishing manga, novels, light novels, magazines, tabletop role-playing games, and other type of content with 8 different publishing brand companies that previously merged. The company used to be the first iteration of Kadokawa Corporation and was the parent company of the Kadokawa Group companies, which brought together several affiliated companies related to Kadokawa Shoten. Kadokawa Dwango announced a restructuring in February 2019. On July 1, 2019, Kadokawa Corporation was reorganized, the publishing business remained, and the company was renamed to Kadokawa Future Publishing. Kadokawa Dwango itself became the second iteration of Kadokawa Corporation. History. The company was founded on April 2, 1954 as Kadokawa Shoten. It was renamed Kadokawa Holdings on April 1, 2003, transferring the existing publishing businesses to Kadokawa Shoten Publishing. The company was again renamed Kadokawa Group Holdings on July 1, 2006. The company inherited the management and integration businesses within Kadokawa Shoten Publishing in January 2007. The magazine businesses were transferred to the Kadokawa Magazine Group. The company was renamed Kadokawa Corporation on June 22, 2013. On October 1, 2013, 9 companies in the Kadokawa Group, ASCII Media Works, 2K Publishing, Enterbrain, Fujimi Shobo, Kadokawa Gakuje Publishing, Kadokawa Production, Kadokawa Magazines, Kadokawa Shoten, and Media Factory were merged into Kadokawa Corporation. 8 of them operate now as brand companies. Kadokawa Production was dissolved and integrated into the General IP Business Headquarters. On December 30, 2013, Kadokawa had announced that the company has acquired 100% of publisher Chowbunsha. On May 14, 2014, it was announced that Kadokawa Corporation and Dwango, the owner of Nikoniko, would merge on October 1, 2014, and form the new holding company Kadokawa Dwango. Both Kadokawa and Dwango became subsidiaries of the new company. In February 2019, Kadokawa Dwango announced that Dwango would now be a direct subsidiary of Kadokawa Corporation in a reorganization of the company. On July 1, 2019, Kadokawa Corporation was reorganized, the publishing business remained, and the company was renamed to Kadokawa Future Publishing. Kadokawa Dwango itself became the second iteration of Kadokawa Corporation. Brand companies, divisions: ASCII Media Works, 2K Publishing, Enterbrain, Fujimi Shobo, Kadokawa Gakuje Publishing, Kadokawa Magazines, Kadokawa Shoten, Media Factory. Subsidiaries: Building Book Center, Kadokawa Key Process,